Good morning, Chip here with Hybrid Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. We are back at it with our transmission replacements. We haven't been doing a lot of filming on it, but we've still been hard at work, and we got some news to share with you. But the first thing we want to do, we want to get into the sound of this CMAX. This is, what year is this? This is a 2014 CMAX. Austin, go ahead and start it up. Then you can cut it. Okay, so if your transmission is making that noise, you have stator bearing failure. This one is pretty well gone. This car's also from Maryland, so I want to let you know a couple things. When we do our transmission replacements, we also change your oil, we change the coolant, and obviously you get new transmission fluid. So all of your services are going to be brought up to date fully and be on the same schedule. In addition to that, we just got notification that the price on our transmissions is going up at the beginning of the year. Our supplier is raising their prices a little bit, so we want to offer to you, if you book between now and the end of the year, we will lock you in. Even if your appointment is next year, we'll lock you into this year pricing because we'll be able to order your transmission ahead of time under the old pricing. So if you do want to get this done, if you're thinking about it, now is the time to call me up and make an appointment because the price is going to go up. Right now, the job is $5,300 plus tax. We don't know what the new price is going to be, but it's going to be a couple $100 more just in parts cost. So we want to put that out there to get on our calendar, get it scheduled. If you have this going on with your car, a lot of you have been calling me lately. Happy to talk to you on the phone about it. And get you in here. We can ship your car in, whether it runs or whether it doesn't run. We can transport in-op cars, and we can bring them to our shop anywhere. Like I said, this car's from Maryland. Most of our cars come in from out of state, just to share with you. I would say less than 10% of them are local cars. So most of you are bringing the cars here. So give me a call, 615-802-5550. Come see me in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Or check out our webpage, hybridandelectriccarsales.com. We got a tab that says HF35 info page. Click on that. That will have all the information. Or if you want to buy the parts and take this on yourself, we also sell all the parts on our webpage. So check us out. Appreciate you guys tuning in, all of our subscribers. Thank you so much. The support's been great, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.